Hello, it's Mila from Hacker Russian, and I'm here to help you learn Russian language easy, fast, and with lots of fun. In this video, I will share with you some great and free resources to improve your Russian language skills. Many of you told me that it's quite difficult to find good authentic resources in Russian with subtitles. So I decided to make my own search, and I was amazed. There are tons of amazing Russian authentic materials with subtitles on the internet. Some of them are only with English subtitles, others are only with Russian subtitles. And there are some videos with subtitles in different languages. I really recommend you to focus more on videos with Russian subtitles because it's more effective. Okay, now it's time to share with you these wonderful resources, and if you want to get more, you can find the links in my super guide, which is available on my Patreon page. Ну что, поехали! Okay, let's start with Russian cartoons. And the best channel with Russian cartoons that I can recommend you is Гора самоцветов. Really, it is an amazing channel with tons of wonderful Russian cartoons based on fairy tales and legends from various nations living in Russia. They have lots of cartoons, not all of them have subtitles, but almost all cartoons which starts with words «Гора самоцветов» in their titles provide subtitles, both Russian and English in most cases. The graphics is great, vocabulary is good for beginners, stories are simple and interesting, so I really highly recommend you to watch these cartoons. I will put all the links in the description box.
Жеребенок того будет, кто загадку отгадает. Положено 3. Кто отгадает 3 загадки?
Next is a wonderful channel with my favorite modern Russian cartoons. It's called Три богатыря. Some, but not all of their cartoons have English subtitles. You need just to scroll through the list of videos and you will find those with a sign CC, which means subtitles, captions. Vocabulary in these cartoons is great for intermediate and advanced learners. I often use these cartoons myself in my lessons because they are really good.
Ой, на кого ж ты нас покинул?
Цыц! Рано еще!
Ой, князь, то ты умираешь, то нет. Забавно с тобой.
Okay, this one is not with Russian cartoons, but these are short, funny videos for children. Almost all of their videos provide Russian subtitles. There are some with English subtitles, but not a lot. You just need to scroll through the videos and find the ones where it's written CC, captions. This channel is called Ералаш, and it's very popular in Russia.
Еще ученый Дарвин открыл, что труд сделал из обезьяны человека. Я поручаю Маше всякую работу. Короче, заставляю ее трудиться.
Понятно.
Надеюсь, человек из нее получится.
Okay, the first website with Russian movies is called Russian Film Hub. You can choose movies by genre. You can also choose a decade, a year of a movie, a country, and you can choose the subtitles. So, for example, which is great, we can choose English and Russian subtitles for learning. And then you will have a list of all movies that you can watch with Russian and English subtitles. So you can choose and you can watch these movies, which are really good. And next website where you can watch Russian movies is called Советские фильмы. Советские movies, actually. What is good here, again, you can choose a genre of a movie. So as you can see, there are different genres: фантастика, военные фильмы, криминальные. Немое кино, we don't need this one. And so there are TV series, some movies for children, art house, historical movies, and modern. So a great range of movies that you can watch on this website. And unfortunately, you need to pay here. So there is an access which costs $5. It's not really expensive, so I guess really looking at the list of all movies that they have, it's worth it. But actually, if you don't want to pay, if you want anyway to watch some good Russian movies, there is a free channel which is called Mosfilm. You can find it on YouTube, and there is a great range of movies. Again, some Soviet movies, some more modern movies as well. Unfortunately, not all of their movies provide subtitles, so you just need to scroll and to find those where it's written CC, captions. Next is another channel that is not really well known, but it's really good, and it provides lots of movies with subtitles. It's called Odessa Film Studio, and as you can see, there are lots of movies with subtitles. It's indicated as CC. There are good movies, mostly Soviet movies, and movies for children. So here, as you can see, there are Russian subtitles, but they also provide English subtitles for some of their movies. Well, I guess the majority of Russian language learners know about this channel, Star Media, where you can find tons of Russian movies and TV series with subtitles. Sometimes the subtitles are only in English, but mostly you will be able to find subtitles in Russian and also other languages. So again, you need just to scroll through and to find the ones where it's written CC. And I really recommend you to always look at suggestions, because here you can find some other channels, for example, Star Media in English. So here you will be able to find movies in English, so the same movies that you can find in Russian, or you will be able also to find some movies with English subtitles where they actually speak in Russian. And you can also find another channel, again from Star Media, but this one with Spanish subtitles. Okay, this is a channel called 1420, with really interesting videos where some random Russian people on the street answer various questions on topics like stereotypes, goals, and so on. Hard-coded English subtitles are provided for all videos. Next is a great channel called Onliner, with interviews of people who talk on various topics, including really sensitive, intimate, and hard topics. Many videos provide either Russian or English subtitles. So again, you just need to scroll through and to find the ones with the sign CC, captions. Okay, this one is one of my favorite YouTube channels. It's called Tudbai, and they actually have some really incredible, honest interviews of people on really sensitive and often intimate topics. Not so many videos have subtitles, unfortunately, so you just need to scroll through and to find the ones with the sign CC, captions. A channel called The Люди, people. So it's a simply amazing channel of a guy named Lyadov, who traveled to different, often dangerous places and shows a real life of people. Not so many videos, unfortunately, have subtitles, but the ones that have are really worth watching. I assure you that you won't be able to see anything like this on other channels.
Северокорейское мороженое так выглядит. Оно со вкусом, знаете чего? Нет, не клубники какой-нибудь, ничего. Оно со вкусом кальция.
Для тех, кто не знает, это известка, разведенный мел. Но зато витамины.
Vdуть. It's one of the most famous Russian channels with interview-based videos and some amazing documentaries, mainly about Russian cities, politics, and events. Many videos provide Russian and English subtitles.
На улице минус 55. И это Колыма. Очень красивый и очень суровый край со страшным прошлым и сложным настоящим.
Okay, this one is the most famous travel show in Russia. It's called Орел и Решка. What is great is that they actually provide subtitles almost for all of their recent videos, and subtitles are both in Russian and English languages. Videos are really fun to watch, and they show some really amazing places in the world. So I really recommend you to watch this TV show.
Первое и до сих пор действующее агентство горных гидов появилось именно в Шамани. Неудивительно, что здесь есть своя стена почета. Вот, например, вот та девушка в окне – это первая женщина, покорившая Монблан в 1808 году, Мари Паради.
While many Russian language learners know about a travel show Орел и Решка, not many of them know about another travel show which is called Жизнь других, Life of Others. All videos provide English subtitles, and this show is really interesting because they actually show the life of people in different countries. Vocabulary is not that hard, but anyway, it's more suitable for intermediate level.
И это неудивительно, ведь...
Это одно из самых красивых мест в нашем мире.
Каждый день здесь это праздник. Просто пойти в ресторан, встретиться с друзьями. Что еще нужно в этой жизни? Пригласил девушку покататься на гондоле и все. Можно ее смело целовать. Правда, это дороговато.
I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like it. This way, you are helping other Russian language learners discover these videos. If you want to support my project and to get some exclusive materials, you can do it via my Patreon page. Find the link in the description box. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss any of my videos. See you next time. Пока-пока!
Thank you.